So what comes to mind when you think of a national security threat? Foreign invasion, war, terrorism? Until recently, you probably wouldn't have thought about disease. However, for decades now, academics, scientists and others have identified the emergence of a new pandemic as a serious and plausible threat to global security. Despite this, few governments took these warnings seriously or invested significant money in the prevention of what we're all now experiencing. Why? Why did countries around the world fail to prepare? Partly it's because of institutional inertia and a lack of imagination when it comes to thinking about national security. Basically, we have great difficulty believing in something until we see it. It's easier for policymakers to invest in defence forces and intelligence agencies who focus on military and terrorist threats. As a society, we have an opportunity to use this pandemic as a way to broaden our ideas about national security so that we include serious non-military and non-terrorist threats, especially with the looming global climate crisis on the horizon.